1 in the forest. How to build a stove yourself.
Greetings to you on the Roomy Kids channel. My name is Artyom. Today I will be assembling a portable mini stove. It's very convenient and compact. For the stove, you can use various chips, branches, and even pine cones as fuel. There's no need to use real firewood. So, the stove is assembled. The fire burns quite vigorously. Now you can place a pot or a cup of water on it. Try to guess what I will cook on the stove. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.